In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to loop your audio in DaVinci Resolve. If you want a section of audio to repeat over and over while you edit, DaVinci Resolve makes that very simple once you know where to look. This is especially useful if you're working with background music, sound effects, or any audio clip that you want to play continuously across part of your timeline. I'm going to walk you through the process clearly so you can follow along without getting lost. To begin, go to the fairlight section in DaVinci Resolve. This is the audio workspace, and it's where you'll find the tools needed for more precise sound editing. If you're currently in the edit page, just switch over to fairlight using the page navigation at the bottom of the interface. Once you're in fairlight, look for the range tool. It looks like a plus icon, and this tool allows you to select a specific portion of your timeline. This is important because DaVinci Resolve needs to know exactly what area you want the loop to apply to. Click on that range tool so it becomes active before moving on. Next, go down to your timeline and find the audio you want to loop. Click and drag across the section you want to repeat. As you drag, you're creating the range that will be looped during playback. Try to be accurate here so the loop starts and ends exactly where you want it to. If needed, you can zoom into the timeline a little for better precision, especially if you're working with short clips or trying to match the loop cleanly to the beat of music. After you've selected the range on the audio, click the loop icon. Once you do that, DaVinci Resolve will loop playback for the selected range. That means when you play the timeline, it will continue repeating that chosen section until you stop playback or turn looping off. And that's it. That's how to loop your audio in DaVinci Resolve. It's a quick feature, but it can save a lot of time when you're listening back to a section repeatedly and making fine adjustments. If you're editing music, checking transitions, or cleaning up audio timing, this can make your workflow much smoother. Follow those same steps anytime you need to repeat a part of your audio, and you'll be able to work faster and more accurately inside Fairlight.